Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Laratips. In today's video, we'll be talking about custom Laravel blade if directives. So before starting, let me show you something here. So here in the database, I have in the users table, I have this type column here. And there are two users. One is normal user and another is admin. Okay. And I am here in the fresh Laravel install. And what I have done is I have just installed Laravel Breeze. So it is just an authentication scaffolding. So you can see here in the starter kits over here in this laravel.com/starter kits here, full URL is over here. Basically you have to just install a package and just run these commands and there will be authentication in your application. So it's just a basic Laravel application. Now if I go here in this browser here, so now let us log in. Okay, first let me log in as a normal user first. So currently we are logged in as a normal user. Okay, so now when we are logged in as a normal user, we want to show some text, and when we are logged in as an admin, we want to show other text. So let me show you how we can do these operations. So I'll show you we can do these things by using three ways. So first of all, let me go to, so whenever we are logged in, it will take us to this dashboard view. Okay, so if I show you here in the, it is inside this views, resources, views and dashboard. Okay, when we are logged in, it will show us this page, this you are logged in and you are logged in. So these are the same pages. So before logged in, so the page was this welcome view. Okay, so and here we clicked on the login, and after logged in, we are redirected to this page, this dashboard view. So here we can say, okay, let's say, so for this tutorial I'll only be showing a simple one, but you can use this to anything. So let's say here, if auth user. Okay, so we can access the authenticated user by this. Okay, so it will give us the authenticated user model. If type admin, so you can see here it is showing triple equal to, but like this, but it is basically three equal signs. Okay, so I have just used a separate font which will show it like this. So if we do it like this, so for admin, so now this will only be shown to the admin. So currently we are logged in as the normal user, so it will not show there. So you can see here it is not showing. Okay, now if I write here else and for normal user, now if I refresh here, you can see here I am seeing this message over here. Okay, now we'll see that in the new line. Okay, for the normal user, and for whenever we log in as admin, it will show this. So now this is one way of doing it. So before that, let me show you by logging in as an admin as well. So now you can see here it is showing me for admin. Okay, so because this condition has met, so this is one way of doing it. Now as I told you that this will return the authenticated user, so I'll show you that as well. Like this, we can do @dd here in the blade as well. So now if I do it like this, so you can see here it is returning me this user model. Yeah, so we can access all these things from here. Okay, so now we can extract this logic into the model. Okay, so if we go here in the user model, so which is inside the app models and users, so let me increase the font. Okay, here app models user, so these are all the things that comes by default. So now let me check. Okay, is admin return this type admin. So again this is triple equal to sign. Okay, equals equals and equals, so it will give us true if the type is admin. So instead of doing this, what we can do is admin like this. So now if I go here, so now look at here guys, it is working the same way. So currently we are logged in as admin and it is showing us this for admin. Okay, so by doing this we can encapsulate the logic of this is admin inside the user model. So this is admin method can have very complex logic inside it. Okay, so for this very small application we have only is equal to admin, the type field, but it can be some other methods and which can have some other more complexities inside it. So in the view we can simply use it like this instead of exposing the database column name here. So this is second way of doing it. Also you can make another method. So instead of is admin you can also create is normal user like this. Okay, and you can do here like this. Okay, and here you can use the same method is normal user, and you can pass this one above here and pass this one below here. Okay, so you can do it either ways. Now let me show you the third way by using the blade if directive. So for that we need to go to app service provider, which is inside the app providers. Yeah, which is inside app providers, and this is app service provider. Okay, now here inside the boot method of the app service provider we can do here blade. So let me import it first. So this is the facade blade. Okay, eliminate support facade blade if we can do it like this. So we can give here the name. Okay, so let's say here admin function like this. Okay, and we'll return here. So let me just copy the logic from here. Okay, so this auth user is admin like this. So we are just using this logic. Okay, this logic we are encapsulating it inside this blade if directive. So by doing this we can simply use this admin as a blade directive. So here instead of if we can do here admin and int admin. So you can see here it is much more cleaner than the previous two methods. So it is simply saying if the authenticated user is admin, then show this, else show this, and end the if statement. Now let me go to this browser and refresh the page. Now you can see here it is working the same way, but look at here the code is much more cleaner. Suppose let's say we haven't registered this here. Okay, so then it will throw an error because it will say undefined index admin because we haven't defined this blade if directive. Now if I again uncomment, then we can see that here and you can see the code here, it is much more cleaner. So just before ending this video I would like to give you one more tip here. Okay, we are directly accessing this authenticated user is admin over here, but suppose let's say you are using this @admin directive in the pages where the user is not authenticated. So in that it will throw an error because auth user will give us null if the user is not authenticated. Okay, and in the null if we are trying to access this method, then it will give us an error because we are trying to access the method on a null because null doesn't have this method. So what we can do is we can add another check here. So we can check here whether the user is authenticated or not. Auth check and like this. So if the user is authenticated, then only check this. If user is not authenticated, it will simply return false. Okay, so instead of writing whole this logic over here, we can simply replace it by using admin. And you can do similarly for the normal user. So you can do here user like this is normal user like this. Okay, and instead of admin you can simply say user like this and int normal user like this. Okay, and you can simply revert these operations. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and among these three methods which one did you like? Please let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.